What's up everyone, this is Steve from Supermods Tech bringing you the Supermods Tech tip of the day. So today we're going to show you guys how to launch your system language and change it inside Terminal. Now, you know, it's kind of a pain in the behind to try and change it when the language is already set. So this is a little quick, easy tip to show you guys how to change it without busting your brain. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is launch Terminal. Now there's two ways we can do this. We can go in our Spotlight search and type Terminal to launch it that way, or we go on our Launchpad and Terminal is in your Utilities folder, which is your other folder. Terminal, launch Terminal, and we're going to change it with this one simple line of command, which is sudo space language setup. Okay, hit enter. It's going to ask for your system password. This is the password that you guys use to log into your computer, so you're going to type that. Now it's not going to show anything typing. That's absolutely normal. Don't be alarmed, don't go crazy, or keyboard's not typing. Hit enter, and now you're going to see that it shows a full list of commands, which shows you their list of different languages. Okay, so of course we're in English, so we'll go down to the bottom here. We'll press number 1, and you would want to select your system language as English. It's now been set. All right, and that's it. We're going to go ahead, quit Terminal, quit, start, restart your device, and upon restart, it's going to your computer is going to go into the new language which has been set, and that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoy the Supermods Tech tip of the day. Please subscribe to our channel for more different tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.